How to straighten teeth without braces. Having braces has always been the only way to straighten one's teeth. Some people prefer to live with the imperfection than to sacrifice a year or two with metal attached to their teeth. Well, sacrifice no more, because there are now other ways on how to straighten teeth without braces. A straight set of teeth is very important to most people. It can change a smile and the overall appearance of a person. Not only that, surveys have also shown that people with a good smile that comes with a perfect set of teeth are more confident than those who do not. Those who actually have had their teeth straightened appear more confident afterwards. The good thing about technology is that it always improves one's appearance. While braces are still preferred by some dentists, they also give these options to their patients. A first option is Invisalign. It is an alternative way of straightening your teeth without the usual disadvantages of dental or metal wire braces. It is basically the same concept, however. Invisalign uses aligners that are almost invisible, which gradually move the positions of your teeth to become aligned with each other. The great thing about this is that nobody can tell that you have them on, plus, it doesn't hurt your gums or cheeks like metal braces do. 1. The first thing that your orthodontist will do is assess the alignment of your teeth. He will get a series of pictures of your smile and teeth and also an impression of your teeth. 2. Using a CT scan and all the data gathered, your dentist will have a 3D model of your teeth made, which will be used to make a simulation of the various movements your teeth will have until they straighten out. Then the alignment will be based from there. 3. Once you have your aligners ready for use, your dentist will show you the proper way to put them on, as well as the proper ways of taking good care of this expensive tools. 4. Your aligners will be altered from time to time depending on the course of movement by your teeth, just like metal wire braces. You will be given instruction on when and how often you are going to visit the orthodontist for the alterations. 5. One big difference is these aligners are detachable, so you will need all the self-discipline to wear it at least 20 hours a day. This feature will be very convenient in preventing tooth decay, unlike with metal braces where brushing is quite a challenge. B. The second option, veneers, is expensive and can only be done to very minor straightening problems like gaps, broken teeth and misalignments. Veneers are porcelain that laminates onto your original tooth that actually perfects its shape, size, and color once it's affixed permanently. It is a painless and quick procedure. 1. The very first thing that the orthodontist will do is to make room for the veneer by removing 0.5 mm of enamel from your teeth by scraping it off. It is not visible to anyone, so you need not worry about your appearance. 2. Afterwards, an impression of your teeth is going to be taken to be the basis in making your veneers. Making the veneers takes about 1 to 2 weeks. You may feel a bit of sensitivity on your teeth, especially in drinking anything cold or hot. 3. Once the veneers are ready, you are going to fit them and make any adjustment if necessary. Your orthodontist will look very carefully if the veneer perfectly fits you. Voice your opinion before he makes everything final. 4. When all is perfect, the veneer will be permanently attached to your teeth through a series of procedures. It doesn't take much time, and you will have a perfect set of teeth. 5. Your orthodontist will educate you on proper dental hygiene and will see you again for shaping, if necessary. From time to time, you will have to see your orthodontist to see to it that the veneers are well maintained. See, the last but not the least option is tooth contouring. This method is only done on the upper teeth and is not applicable to the lower set of teeth. It usually works for overlapping teeth. The main idea here is to shape your teeth so that everything will be even to each other. It is a quite expensive procedure but will save you the pain of metal braces. 1. Your orthodontist will first assess if you are a good candidate for tooth contouring. He will get x-rays of your teeth to see if your teeth are healthy and strong as well as your bones and tissue. 2. Your dentist will mark your teeth to guide him in the shaping or contouring process. Depending on your teeth, he will use several different techniques to achieve the goal. 3. If there is a need to fill chips or cracks, your dentist will also cover this up before he proceeds to the polishing and smoothing of your newly straightened set of teeth. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about how to straighten teeth without braces.